Hey guys, welcome back to another Trick Tip Tuesday, and I'm going to show you guys real quick kind of what I use when I'm cleaning or wiping things down in the shop. It seems like a really basic topic, but sometimes being able to make your money go further and that sort of thing is a good thing, and choosing the right towels or the right thing to wipe down something with or clean something with can really stretch your dollars out a little bit as far as having to buy less, that sort of thing. So for starters, these blue shop towels, obviously they've been around forever, and they are a great heavy duty type paper towel that you can use around your shop to clean up messes, wipe up oils, anything like that around your shop, even do some basic wiping down as far as cleaning things. These things are great for a lot of different reasons. I do not like them when it comes to wiping down things that are maybe a little more important, even a machine or something on a project you're trying to clean up, that sort of thing. And that's where I always have packs of, I buy these big giant packs. This is a 50 pack of just a basic microfiber towel. These are a little more heavy duty, obviously, than a standard paper towel, but they're cheap enough to where you can use them until they're too dirty or that sort of thing. And I don't even bother washing them. When they're done, you throw them away right in the trash, and they're cheap enough where they'll get those done. They're soft enough to be able to, say wipe down a machine with. You're not going to scratch them, wear out the surfaces, that sort of thing. Gentle enough if you're wiping down something, car part related, that sort of thing. But they do a great job of being a little more heavy duty than a paper towel. They don't start to come apart, that sort of thing. So, and then if I'm really trying to get some heavy duty, cleaning going on, that I need more than just a paper towel, but I don't want to waste these microfiber towels. Always have some of these kind of cotton terry cloth type towels around, and these are the ones that I use that would take a lot of abuse. So heavy messes, things where you need to scrub on something, that sort of thing, and these can just get as dirty as you want before you either throw them away or a great thing in the shop is sometimes even having a laundry service that will have towels like this that you can then give them, and they can wash them, clean them up, bring them back to you. So just a simple explanation on some of the different towels that I use and why, and maybe give you some ideas on things to use in your shops too. So thanks for watching this week's Trick Tip. Email us your tip ideas at tips@Trick-Tools.com, and we'll see if we can include them in these videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next week.